Let me have a real conversation with you about what happens after you lose 150 pounds. I still have more to go, so everything I talk about is going to be even worse as I go. I didn't read a lot, know a lot, but there is saggy skin. That's part of the saggy skin. There is saggy skin. There's saggy skin. All this is saggy skin. Your belly, it droops. I'm not going to get too personal, but it hangs way down here where your body, where your trunk attaches to your leg, way up here. So mine droops about that much more lower than where my body attaches. So I have the apron. Of course your booty, it even hangs. It even goes, instead of a butt, it's a butt. So, then, and all of the rolls, I thought maybe they would thin out and be more shallow. No, instead of going in, they go down. So instead of going, I thought they would maybe smooth in, but no, they sag more. So that is all things that happen as you lose weight. On the bright side, you're healthier, you have more energy, you have, your longevity is going to be longer. But then starts the mindset. At 340 pounds, I couldn't walk into a regular bathroom stall because a lot of those stalls open in. And I could not back up enough for the stall to get past my stomach. I had to go into the big stall because there's space, the handicap stall. But in the small stall, my belly was out and I couldn't suck it in and back up enough to close the stall behind me. Even now at 180 pounds, 187 pounds, I still look at weight limits of things. I'm like, can I get on that? I look at chairs. I'm like, can I sit on that chair? Will it break? So I've been on this weight loss journey for 3 years, but these are all things that I still work with. My mindset of shifting my mindset as far as my health. That's more important and valuable than the skin and everything else. So keep going. Stay strong. You'll get there.